Hi everyone, this is the Opar welded D-ring set for trailers or flatbeds. These are the 1/2-inch units and they are 1/2-inch stock. And then they are also rated for 4,000 pounds working capacity and 12,000 pounds, as it says on the side, breakaway. So you can put quite a good load on these without having any issues. Like I said, these are weld-on units, so you just weld on each side of the tab here and around the corner if you can, and that'll secure these in place. These are not the bolt-on units. I've got my flatbed here today. I've been actually wanting to install these D-rings, so I'm very happy that they sent these to us to give a try out. So it was exciting when they gave us the offer. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and weld a D-ring on, and I'll show you how to do it real quick. And if you're going to be doing it on a vehicle like this flatbed, make sure you disconnect the ground on the battery. So when you're welding these on, if you're going to be using an equipment trailer or you're going to be hauling any implements at all, I would definitely suggest using a stick welder on welding this. You're going to get a lot better penetration on that. On this flatbed, I don't haul a lot of heavy stuff. I haul a side-by-side. And then just basically just scrap stuff, hay, whatever I need. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wire welder and I'm going to go at a higher heat and try to get some decent penetration in and make sure this bond is good. You will need to rub off any paint, and also you want to just grind this down a little bit, get rid of any oil residue on the saddle itself. I got my D-rings all welded on. They welded up great, got all 4 corners of the flatbed. I sure appreciate Opar for sending these to us. I've been needing these for quite some time. So if you're looking for a great set of weld-on D-rings for your trailer, flatbed, tractor, whatever the need is, I would definitely suggest the Opars.